This is B from Geek News, and I want to take you guys through this legitimate way to make money online. Very, very legit. It is not a scam, not a Ponzi scheme, not a fraud, nothing. It is legit. So get ready because anything that is legit, you need to work for it, right? So most of you know this app, Honeygain, is popular. It's been there for a while, and literally what you do is very simple. And to make this very easy, I'm going to leave a link to our Telegram channel uh, on the YouTube page in the description, so that you can it can link you to this particular interface that I'm on. So when you come here, you just need to tap on Earn Money Home, and it gives you a link. This link is a link to help you gain access to Honeygain, and also is a referral link. What a referral link does is it gives you $5. Okay, so you get $5, and with a $5, that's your startup. You have to get to $20 in order to withdraw to PayPal or using Bitcoin. That's a very easy way, I think. Regardless of where the person is, the person will be able to cash out. PayPal is not in some countries in Africa, so I'll do another video on how to create a PayPal account when your country is not eligible. But for now, you can start with Honeygain, and when that video is dropped, you can check it out later. You don't need a PayPal account to sign up. You get it. So when you open this link, it should quickly take you to Honeygain, where it will ask you to claim your $5, right? So you go to claim $5, and when you go to claim $5, they will ask you to sign up using your Facebook or your Google account. Very, very simple. When you are done, they may ask you to download the app. The app is available for iOS, and on iOS you need to check the App Store. It is there, okay, verified by Apple to be in their App Store. You can also find it on Mac OS. You can download it here. You can also download the setup for Windows too. So since I'm on Android, I'll just tap Android, and it should give me an APK download link. You download, then you install. Pretty simple. Most Android users know how to install APK, so we don't have to go down that way. So now, after signing up and downloading the app, you can go into the app, and okay, let me go into the app. So when we land in the app, you would see how the interface looks like. You see a couple of bees moving around, but this app is just meant to do something simple. It is to help drive traffic for some companies, and while it's driving this data traffic for them, you also end up making money. You get it. So now what you do is when you log in, they give you an interface where you gain your $5. You see your $5 there, then a couple of credits. You have active devices, you can sign them up. When you can sign up to like 10 active devices, then you can refer people. But referring people is not going to make you any money like that. It's not going to do anything. It's just something small in credits, not even in dollars. You'd have to make a couple of credits in order to get $1. So I think it should pop up down here somewhere. Uh, so they'll show you, and I think that's it. It's very simple. Keep the app running in background so that you can quickly make money. And also, okay, so you need 1,000 Honeygain credits for $1. So referring actually doesn't really do much like that. Then also you would have to keep the app in background, like I said. Then you'd have to make sure you have a couple of devices signed into the same account, so that you can make money real quick. Like for Samsung, they have secure folder, so you can create another copy of Honeygain in secure folder. Then you can have two running on one device. So it's about having more devices, and having an active internet. That's all. So mostly they give you credits, free credit. They'll give you a pot lucky draw. You open it, you can get between 10 to 100 credits. Also, when you check Honeygain, their social media pages, sometimes they give away $10, $20, $50. They will probably ask a couple of simple questions. Then when you are able to answer them, you get that money. So you can cash out. Most people are concerned with payout. So if you want to pay out, you can only use the payout when you have reached $20. So I'm currently at $7. We are still moving up. When we get 20, we can withdraw with PayPal or Bitcoin. And I like their method of payment because if you're in any country, you just need a Bitcoin wallet or a PayPal account, and you can have access to your money without having to do with some long bank transfers and other things. You get it. So that's about it. That's about it. Just keep the app running in background. iOS, macOS, Android. That is how it works. Very, very simple. And you can stay at home while the pandemic is, uh, driving people nuts. You can just stay at home, and while you browse, do your normal everyday internet stuff, in the background, you could also be making a couple of bucks. So kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay, subscribe, and uh, so there is a B here. So you subscribe to our channel, then maybe in our next meeting, I'll teach you how to create a PayPal account for countries that are not eligible. We have other cool stuff that we will be dropping. So try and keep in touch.